Hi guys, this is Brittney from Desert Sage Herbs, and today I'm actually in my backyard. I wanted to share with you my garden. So last year in August, I asked my husband to get a beautiful, oh my gosh, there's a butterfly, how fun, to make me a raised bed, a garden. So we were gonna buy one, but we actually found this awesome idea of using cinder blocks, and I love it. So I wanted to share with you because my garden looks so good right now. So I wanted to share with you, if you are thinking about putting a garden in, is doing maybe cinder blocks. And the reason I love it is because the cinder blocks on the top, I don't know if you can see it, actually you can put dirt in it, and so then you can use it like a little planter. So I have my little violets, little flowers in there, and I can keep things from spreading in the garden too, like my peppermint, because peppermint loves to spread and I don't want it to take over my garden. Also, I put a trellis back here with my beautiful jasmine, and isn't this so cool? My dill is amazing. I just like to keep this because I think it is so beautiful, but I'm drying my dill right now because we love to put it on our wild salmon that we use. So I wanted to show you all my fun things. I've got some carrots, some peas, some peppers and cucumbers, parsley. Parsley's wonderful to stick in your smoothies. I know everyone, sticks spinach or kale in their smoothies. Have you thought about putting parsley in your smoothies? Parsley is super alkalizing, full of chlorophyll, so nutritious, and something that you could put in your smoothies that isn't super strong. I've also got my thyme that's over here that could be used in a syrup and antibacterial. I've got some of my cilantro for when we have Mexican food. And I just wanted to share with you rosemary, because I think rosemary is a very underutilized herb. Right, we think about using it, I'm just gonna pinch some off. Oh, it smells so good. We think about using it in food and culinary, which it is fabulous in that, right? They used it to help cure meats, and it also is used because it's such a great antioxidant. Use it in your marinades, and it helps with the toxins that are put off from grilling. The other thing that is so fantastic about rosemary, it's so antiseptic and such a wonderful preservative. They actually do a CO2 extraction, and they'll use it in different products as a preservative. Other things, you could actually take a few sprigs, pour your hot water over, make sure that you keep it covered, and it's a wonderful, wonderful antibacterial. Oh shoot, they're literally doing yard work over there. So anyways, if you want to find out more about my top 10 herbs, I am doing a herb class on the 20th from 10 to 12, but I'm also doing it recording also, so you can join me for that. One other thing that I wanted to share with you is this awesome book if you're a gardener in Arizona. It's called Extreme Gardening by Dave Owens. He's the garden guy. I use his book all the time. So sorry, gotta go because the yard people are going crazy. Okay, see you next time. Hope to see you for my class. Bye-bye.